Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Shilpa. I am your teacher. Now tell me, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Now we'll begin with English class. Today we'll learn alphabets. Now tell me, how many letters are there in alphabet? There are 26 letters in alphabets. Come on, now repeat after me. Let's take a first step in with alphabet. Today we are going to learn uppercase letters and lowercase letters. So tell me, how many letters are there in alphabet? Well, there are 26 letters in our alphabet. Let's learn. So sit properly with your back straight, stay attentive and speak after me. The first letter is A. Uppercase A. Lowercase a. Speak loudly. A. 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 The next letter is B. Uppercase B. Lowercase b. Speak aloud. B. 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 The next letter is C. Uppercase C. Lowercase c. Speak loudly. C. 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 What comes after C? Yes, it's D. Uppercase D. Lowercase d. Say with me. D. 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 Let's revise. A. B. C. D. Say it again. A. B. C. D. Let's proceed to our next letter, that is E. Uppercase E. Lowercase e. Speak loudly. E. 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 The next letter is F. Uppercase F. Lowercase f. Speak aloud. F. 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 After F, it's G. Uppercase G. Lowercase g. Speak loudly. G. 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 The next letter is H. Uppercase H. Lowercase h. Speak aloud. H. 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 Let's revise. E. F. G. H. Practice for one more time. E. F. G, H. Let's move forward. The next letter is I. Uppercase I, lowercase I. Speak aloud. I. After I, it's J. Uppercase J, lowercase j. Speak loudly. J. The next letter is K. Uppercase K, lowercase k. Speak aloud. K. The next letter is L. Uppercase L, lowercase l. Speak loudly. L. Let's revise. I, J, K, L. Say it again. I, J, K, L. Let's move further. The next letter is M. Uppercase M, lowercase m. Speak loudly. M. After M, it's N. Uppercase N, lowercase n. Speak aloud. N. The next letter is O. Uppercase O, lowercase o. Speak loudly. O. The next letter is P. Uppercase P, lowercase p. Speak with me. P. Let's revise. M, N, O, P. Practice for one more time. M, N, O, P. Let's move forward. The next letter is Q. Uppercase Q, lowercase q. Speak loudly. Q. After Q, it's R. Uppercase R, lowercase r. Speak aloud. R. The next letter is S. Uppercase S, lowercase s. Speak loudly. S. The next letter is T. Uppercase T, lowercase t. Speak aloud. T. Let's revise. Q, R, S, T. Practice for one more time. Q, R, S, T. Let's move forward. The next letter is U. Uppercase U, lowercase u. Speak loudly. U, U, U. After U, it's V. Uppercase V, lowercase v. Speak aloud. V, V, V. The next letter is W. Uppercase W, lowercase w. Speak aloud. W, W, W. Let's revise. U, V, W. Say it again. U, V, W. Let's move forward. The next letter is X. Uppercase X, lowercase x. Speak loudly. X, X, X. The next letter is Y. Uppercase Y, lowercase y. Speak aloud. Y, Y, Y. After Y, it's Z. Uppercase Z, lowercase z. Speak loudly. Z, Z, Z. Let's revise. X, Y, Z. Say it again. X, Y, Z. Great! Hey dear toddlers, I'm going to tell you the formation of lowercase u. It is also known as small u, and the sound of u is Now look at the board carefully. How I'm going to write lowercase u. We will start it from the middle line. Draw a standing line. Now turn towards your right and make a curve. Now go back up. Draw a standing line till middle line. Now up to down. One more standing line and stop on the base line. Which letter is this? Lowercase u. Again I am going to draw u, lowercase u. Start it from the middle line. Draw a standing line. Turn towards your right. Make a curve. Now go up till middle line. Now up to down. Standing line. Stop on the base line. U. Lowercase u. Small u. Now again I am going to tell you the formation of u. We will start it from the middle line up to down, standing line, turn towards your right, make a curve. Now go up till middle line, now up to down, standing line. U. Lowercase u, also known as small u. Up to down, standing line, turn towards your right, make a curve. Now go up till middle line. Now up to down, standing line, stop on the base line. Small u. Again we will put a pencil on the middle line, up to down, standing line, turn towards your right, make a curve. Now go up till Middle line, now up to down, standing line, stop on the baseline. Lowercase u. We will start it from the middle line, up to down, standing line, turn towards your right, make a curve. Now go up till middle line, now up to down, standing line. Stop on the baseline, lowercase u. Which letter is this? Lowercase u. Another name of lowercase u is small u. Now did you get how to make u? Great job, students. Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpen pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly, don't look here and there until you complete your work. Hey my dear students, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Are you ready to do a fun-filled activity? Yes, we all love to do coloring. So today we will start our class with coloring. Open page number 118. Which page you will open? 118 of your English file. All of you have opened? Now in this page you can see umbrella. We are going to color umbrella. And U says a. U says a. U as in umbrella. U as in umbrella. Now take out your favorite color. We will do different colors in umbrella. I'm going to do red color. You can choose your favorite color. First of all, draw a boundary line so that we won't be going out of this boundary line. Now start coloring. Now in the second block, I am going to color yellow. Again we are going to draw a boundary line. Do your color within the boundary line. Don't go out of the boundary line. And do not scribble, do your coloring in a single stroke. In the third block, I am going to color blue. And the fourth block, this is fifth, this is sixth, this is seventh. In this I am using different colors. And this I am going to do orange. Now I will choose purple color. Don't mix your color, do it properly. Now I will use brown color. And the last block I will do green color. In the stick of umbrella, I'll be using again brown color. I have completed my coloring. Ma'am is waiting for you to complete your coloring. All of you have done? Now get ready with your pencil erasers. We are going to practice letter from A to T. Hold your pencils like this and start writing with me. First letter is A. A. A says A. A says A. A as in alligator. A as in alligator. All of you have done? Now come to the next letter, that is B. Up to down standing line. Come back to the middle line and draw a right curve. B. B says B. B says B. B as in bell. B as in bell. Then after B, what we have to write? Correct. C. Write down C. It's not looking beautiful, so I have used eraser. You can also use eraser if you have made wrong. C. C says K. C says K. C as in cake. C as in cake. Done. Come to the next letter. That is D. D says D. D says D. D as in dog. D as in dog. Done. Come to the next row and write E. E says eh. E says eh. E as in elephant. E as in elephant. Done. The next letter is F. F says F. F says F. F as in fish. F as in fish. Done. After F it's G. G says G. G says G. G as in goat. You have to speak and write like ma'am. G says G. G says G. G as in goat. Now come to the next letter and write H. H says H says H as in house. H as in house. All of you have completed till H. Then it's I. I says E. I says E. I as in ink. I as in ink. Done. After I, we are going to write J. J says J. J says J. J as in jam. J as in jam. What comes after J? Yes, it's K. So write K. K says K. K says K. K as in kite. K as in kite. Done. We are going to write the next letter, that is L. L says L. L says L. L as in lock. L as in lock. Done. Come to the next letter and write M. M says M. M says M. M as in monkey. M as in monkey. Done. After M, we are going to write N. N says N. N says N. N as in nest. N as in nest. Done. Write O. O says O. O says O. O as in octopus. O as in octopus. Done. Now we are going to write P. P says P. P says P. P as in parrot. P as in parrot. All of you have completed till P. Now come to the next letter. That is Q. Q says Q. Q says Q. Q as in queen. Q as in queen. Done? What comes after Q? Yes, it's R. R says R. R says R. R as in rose. R as in rose. Done? After R, it's S. S says S. S says S. S as in snake. S as in snake. Which is the next letter? Yes, it's T. T says T. T says T. T as in tree. T as in tree. All of you have completed till T. Now start reading with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Now we have completed our page. Listen carefully. You have to open the next page, that is 119. You will revise these letters again for more perfection later on. And when you complete the page, click the photograph of both the pages and send it on the WhatsApp group. Keep practicing. Have a nice day.